Oh, what's good, ladies and gents? Well, what do we got here? Yeah, it's finally here. The motor for the Sur Ron. I took this off and I was like, oh shoot, I better record it. I've been super bad about uploading videos. I've also been pretty darn busy, so I haven't had a lot of time to play, and when I have been playing, it's been with some of my other toys. Anyways, yeah, I took this off and I was like, shoot, I better record it. Do a little unboxing, do something to keep the channel going, you know, keep you guys somewhat updated. I haven't been working on the other bike either. Like I said, the other hobbies have been, you know, taking over a little bit right now. You know, like when you get something that's like new, shiny, whatever, you're all about it for a little bit, and then, or you're buying parts, and then once all that stuff is kind of gone, you're like, whatever, it's built, it's done, it's there now. Well, at least that's how I am. But anyways, yeah, we got our motor. Here are some of the little instructions. It looks like they do a little walkthrough on how to install the motor, but can't imagine this being very hard. I mean, loosen up a couple bolts, wiring harnesses, take off like the 3 little wires or whatever from the controller, and you should be pretty good. The only problem will be is if you don't have, you know, these guys' controller, you might have a little something to figure out, like I'm going to. So anyways, let's get to it. Let's see what it looks like. I mean, I already saw this part, but yeah. So there's your skid plate or bash guard, whatever you want to call it. Cool. Oh man, looks like it got all scratched up right there, but that's okay. It'll end up getting scratched up when I wash this. It'll probably come off, but cool. They autographed it. And also, since I pre-ordered this is actually included free in the order, which is pretty cool, because you're gonna need it. The other bash guard, skid plates, whatever you want to call them, they will not fit with this motor, so you're gonna end up having to buy it, or you're gonna have to go out there red naked and hope that you don't hit anything. So it's a bracket for this, I'm assuming. Let's see what else we got. The motor bolts. Cool. Hopefully they're the same ones as the ones that I have in there, because I'm pretty sure I changed these out to titanium, so it would suck if I had to put some stainless steel on there. Bash guard hardware. Cool. And, oh, the harness. Looks pretty well made too. Pretty nice. Ooh, look at this connector. Ooh. Solid, solid. I like it. I like it. Okay, now to the motor. Oh damn, this sucker's actually kind of freaking heavy. Never pulled one of these out of a Sur Ron, but dude. Let me see. Let me try to one-hand it. Ay, wait. Well, the bag ain't helping, but yeah, she heavy. Yeah, let me do 2. There we go. There we go. Oh, and you know how to get the blue color too, because that's a faster color. How to keep the scheme going. And there you have it. See, like I said, oh, well, I just thought it was just 3, but yeah, you got this little wire skis that you have to plug in. Nice. This blue's gonna go well too with the bike. I was kind of worried that this blue's gonna be super different, but it's not. It's a little like rubber gasket that they used here. I don't know if they just like kind of put it on wrong, or I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but you can see it sticking out on some ends more than the other, especially like right there. It's not sticking out whatsoever, and then sticks out there, and it sticks out over here a little bit down here. Hopefully she is locked up and weatherproofed. Oh, speaking of which, look at that. This wiring harness right here is all waterproofed up, so water can't get down in there. That's pretty nice. Connections are solid. Let's see what else we got. Let's turn it around. I'm gonna have to weigh these motors too. I'm curious how much this weighs compared to the stock one. And speaking of the stock one, I have not been working on the other one that I was building from all the stock parts. Yeah, just been a little bit busy with work, but work is slowing down quite a bit now that it's the end of the year-ish. So we're gonna have a lot more time to tinker around, get this puppy in there. I got another surround that I gotta fix first. One of my buddies. So I've been swapping out all kinds of parts to try to figure out what it is, because the code, I think it like blinked twice. And so looked it up, and some people have been saying that it's actually the controller. So I'm actually in the middle of taking taking my stock controller off, and well, not taking it off, but because I'd never put it on that other bike yet, and putting it on his bike to see if that's what it is. One benefit of having multiple bikes. So yeah, there's the motor. Like I said, gonna have more time here coming up, so I'll be able to definitely keep you guys a little more updated, you know, upload more videos, yada yada yada. Sorry, I've been really bad about it, because like I said, time with work, and also right now I've been kind of into my other hobbies, so it makes it a little harder to, you know, continually stay up on like these things until I get something new, really. But that's what I was talking about. Some other hobbies. Here, I'll show you guys real quick, actually. I'm in the middle of I should say putting this together. 6.5 Grendel, doing the scope right now. Everything else is pretty much done, so she should be a good shooter here pretty soon. Got this Cerakote in a battle worn burnt bronze carbon barrel, because you know I like carbon. Same thing, you know what I mean. Anyways, back to the old motor over here. Well, I guess there's nothing else to say about it, huh? I'm pretty much done here. There's your unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. I haven't looked on YouTube to see if anybody else has done one, so I don't know, maybe there's a difference between mine and theirs that I didn't get and they did get. So when I go to upload this here shortly, I'm actually gonna look and check, see what's out there, see if there's any install videos too, because it'd be super helpful if somebody had the safety control and the motor that I had, and then I just get to watch a video and learn from possibly mistakes that they make. Hopefully they don't, but you know, it happens. Anyways, I will catch you guys later, and hope you enjoyed this little unboxing.